also encounter them. But normally we haven't yet encountered any incident with crocs.
Okay.
But you never know with the wild species. Wild animals remain wild animals.
Yeah.
But if you encounter any of the crocs, just keep calm, and also we have to stop and also give them their space. Then we can continue with our canoeing.
Wow.
Right.
So
Don't scream, don't jump into the water. Because why? Because you'll be putting your life
much more
danger. Yes. So that's the pre-activity. And also, please don't be tempted to touch water. To put your hands in water. Why? Because these predators might be hunting. So you might fall prey to these predators. Okay. So that's my pre-activity briefing for you before we embark on our canoeing.
Wow.
Any questions? Any contributions?
Wow. So is it safe?
Yes, it is. It is safe. That's why we are here. We will be guiding you. Same applies like what we're doing
Okay.
in the nature walk in the wilderness.
Okay. I
Yes.
pray that I won't see any
Any
crocodile.
All right. So are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Let's get going.
So guys, I have to be very fearless. It's a riverine riverine activity. So this is where we are going to the canoes. Yeah. So we are just in the water canoeing. It's amazing, guys. Look at me. Yes, that is SK. He's showing me the river. I also have to be paddling, guys. I don't have much time on the on the camera, but it's lovely and it's amazing. So we just came across a waterbed. They call it a Jesus bed. You called it a Jasper, SK?
Sorry?
Did you call it a Jasper? A Jasper bird? The one that walks on water?
Okay, it's African jacana.
African jacana, okay,
yes,
yeah.
Jacana bird.
So we saw an African jacana bird that walks on water, and they call it a Jesus bird because Jesus walked on water. How amazing. This is where we are going, and we are in the center of a river. It's so lovely and beautiful. They say that there are crocs in this water, and you just never know, and we have to be cautious, but we are hoping not to see any of them. Fingers crossed. Oh, we are approaching a home over there. They say it's an owner's home. Wow, so beautiful, guys. Lovely yard. I like the house overlooking this river. It was so beautiful, stunning. I mean, it was a beautiful view, honestly. I really liked it. This is hello from me and SK. The peace and quiet in this place is amazing. Can you feel it? The peace and quiet in this place was superb, amazing, unbelievable. I could only hear the sound of birds, twitching insects. Oh, that was so beautiful. Funny enough, they say that there are crocodiles in this water, but I was happy not to see even one. I was really happy. The stillness in this place is just amazing. It's very quiet and very peaceful. You can only hear the insects making some lovely whispering sounds. It is so beautiful. You people, you don't know what you are missing. Guys, I feel like I'm in the Amazon forest, in the river. It really has got that Amazon forest feel, it's very adventurous. It's nice. Thank you, SK. I'm really having a nice time.
So I trust that you're really enjoying.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
It's a memorable stay here.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Lovely.
Yeah. Now heading. I'm also paddling, guys. It's amazing. It's an amazing feel. Oh, this riverine ecosystem, the weeds.
Yes, the reed, bulrush reed.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm helping SK to, yeah, we have to make our way back to the to our starting point. Later, guys.
Along the river shorelines and also some pipes
Okay.
around River Lim and some shelters as well.
Okay.
Some permanent shelters, some semi-permanent as well.
Okay.
Yes. So they reside there and also keep guard of their fields.
Oh, that's nice.
The river.
Okay.
You know the Zambezi River,
Yeah, I know the Zambezi.
which pave way to pave way for the Lake Kariba. Have you ever visited Kariba before?
Yeah, I've been in Kariba.
So that Lake Kariba,
Okay.
so it can also contribute. It's another tributary rivers, which also contribute.
Oh,
to,
this tributary leads to the Zambezi River.
Yes. So what will be happening is it will be spilling into another river.
Okay.
Then the channel goes on from another river to another river.
Okay.
So from Mufure, this one that's called Sarue River.
Okay.
Spills into Mufure.
Okay.
Mufure, Munyati,
Alright.
Sanyati River.
Mm-hmm.
Then Sanyati, then the Zambezi River finally spills into Zambezi River.
Hmm. Okay. Well, that's
So Zambezi River being the fourth largest river in
Yeah.
Africa, apart from the Nile River
yeah.
from Egypt, from Mali,
Mm-hmm.
and the third, this is the Congo River from Democratic Republic of Congo,
Mm-hmm.
and sitting on fourth, it's Zambezi River,
Mm-hmm.
which its source comes from Mwenilunga district in northern Zambia.
Okay.
When it started as a spring, it also it stretches from the source up to the mouth. It's about 2,700 kilometers.
Okay.
That's the stretch of Zambezi River from the source to the mouth. So it also passes through different countries, such as we're looking at Botswana, we're looking at Zambia, Zimbabwe, Angola, and also a little bit of Namibia. So, and finally into Mozambique. And they did dammed it in Mozambique, the Zambezi River, as we did dammed it to pave way for the hydroelectrical Kariba hydroelectrical project.
Mm-hmm.
And also in Mozambique, they did also dammed it to
Okay.
pave way for the Cabora Bassa hydroelectrical project, power project.
Oh yeah.
So it has been dammed twice.
Oh yeah.
So,
So I always wonder, doesn't that affect like our ecosystem when we dam water like that?
when we dam water like that, what the environmentalists only encourage to have a diverting channels,
Okay.
so that the river always continue. Whether you
Okay.
dammed it, but you have to pave way for the diversion,
Okay.
so that the ecosystem doesn't suffer.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, that's good.
You can hear the dogs, the neighboring villagers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we just saw some ducks that are so shy. SK, you said they are cold?
We do have some white-faced ducks as well, and some different ducks as well.
So they just ducked under the water and we didn't get a chance to see them. Hopefully they will come out.
They disappear.
Yeah. So we made a U-turn and we are going back now. Back where we... Oh, this is a lovely experience. A very nice experience, guys. I canoed quite a distant, guys. I think it was like one over 1,000 meters that I sailed on the waters. It was lovely. I really enjoyed it.
Beautiful.
Oh, African Jacana.
Or no. Jesus bad.
Okay, so the fish are escorting us. We keep seeing a lot of fish scooping in the water. I don't know if they're fish diving. And here we are back where we started, and we are being welcomed by another African Jacana. That's
Yes,
by our,
that's a juvenile there.
yeah.
Fillet chicken. You can see the
Okay.
plumage. Those two. They are still chicks.
Okay.
You can see the plumage. Light in